Welcome back to Sho Academy, and welcome to part 3 of our biological molecules journey. So far, we've tackled carbohydrates, the sweet energy units. We've explored fats, the long-lasting fuel and insulation. Now, it's time for the builders, the messengers, and the defenders of your body. It's time for proteins. So, what are proteins made of? Proteins contain 4 elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and here's the special one, nitrogen. Some proteins also contain a little sulfur. That's important when we talk about hair and nails. Now here's the big idea. A protein molecule is not one solid block. It's made of a long chain of smaller molecules called amino acids. There are 20 different amino acids, and they link together like beads on a string. Each type of protein has a different order and number of amino acids. Change just one amino acid, and guess what? You can end up with a totally different protein. So imagine the possibilities. Millions of unique proteins, just by shuffling these 20 building blocks. Now check out the diagram in your textbook. You'll see a chain of colored blocks. Each block is one amino acid. And the full chain? That's your protein. Actually, if you're wondering about the function of proteins in organisms, proteins aren't just muscle. They're everything. Let's count a few examples, and trust me, the list is long. Number 1, all enzymes are proteins. Number 2, antibodies, which protect the body from pathogens, are proteins. Number 3, hemoglobin, the red pigment that transports oxygen in blood, is a protein. Number 4, proteins are crucial for building cell membranes in all organisms. Number 5, your hair and fingernails are made from a structural protein called keratin. Do you see how essential they are? Basically, proteins are the functional workhorses of your body. They build, transport, defend, signal, and support everything life does. Now let's learn how to test for the presence of protein. Easy. We use the Biuret test. Biuret solution is the indicator, and it starts off blue. If protein is present, it turns violet. Check the photo in your textbook. 2 test tubes. The one on the left stays blue, no protein. But the one on the right turns purple. Protein is present. That's a positive result. Now let's tackle your textbook questions for this section. Question 1. Which element is found in all proteins, but not in carbohydrates and fats? The answer is nitrogen. Proteins are unique because they always contain nitrogen. That's what sets them apart. Question 2. Some proteins are soluble in water, but some are not. Do you think keratin is soluble in water? Explain your answer. Answer: no. Keratin is not soluble in water. Why? Because keratin is a tough structural protein. It forms solid fibers in hair and nails. Soluble proteins float in your blood or cytoplasm. But keratin, it stays firm and water-resistant. Now let's review the keywords from this part. Protein is a substance whose molecules are made of many amino acids linked together. Each protein has a different sequence of amino acids. Amino acids are molecules that contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. There are 20 different amino acids found in organisms. Antibodies are molecules secreted by white blood cells. They bind to pathogens and help destroy them. Pathogens are microorganisms that cause disease, like bacteria. Keratin is the protein that forms hair. Biuret reagent is a blue solution that turns purple when mixed with amino acids or proteins. And the DCPIP is a purple liquid that becomes colorless when mixed with vitamin C. Wait, what's this DCPIP doing here? You might be thinking, we didn't talk about vitamin C yet. That's true. So here's a sneak peek. Vitamin C is not a carbohydrate, fat, or protein, but we test for it using a purple liquid called DCPIP. When DCPIP mixes with vitamin C, it loses its color. Just like that. Okay, that's all you need to know for now. And just like that, we've completed part 3, proteins. In the next part, we'll unlock the master code, DNA, the molecule that tells your cells how to build proteins in the first place. Stay curious, stay focused, study hard, study smart. See you in part 4, only here at Sho Academy.